Architectural design depends on beam-based 3D modeling, but collaborative iteration between designers, architects, and so on is slowed because every design change must be manually edited in complex beam files, making rapid prototyping difficult. Our solution is a virtual assistant that allows users to interact with the beam in a VR environment. This framework enables users to make changes directly in VR, make complex queries about the beam, and combine these two to perform more complex actions. All of this is processed through an agentic system that selects appropriate tools depending on the query context, iteratively applying different tools until it finishes. This is the Unreal Engine sandbox, where users can navigate through a 3D BIM environment, a house in this case. Let's start with the following instruction. Hide the left door and paint the right one red.
The modification tool. Using the modification tool. I have hidden the left door and painted the right door red.
Not only are we able to target specific doors spatially, but we are also able to concatenate two instructions in one. The system can also be used to query information about the beam. In the next example, we ask a general question about the building. How many windows are there in the building?
Using the query tool. There are 11 windows in the building.
The model responds to a query correctly by using a specific tool that creates cipher commands to, in this case, retrieve the number of windows from the beam graph. By combining different tools, we can also mix queries and modifications on the same statement. Paint the nearest window blue and return its height and width.
Using the retrieve tool. Using the modification tool. Using the query tool. The nearest window has been painted blue. Its height is 1.2 units and its width is 2.0 units.
We can see that the modification has been made correctly, and here the dimensions of that window at the same time.